Today, we're going to talk about using the IU Library's online library catalog, also known as IUCAT. IUCAT allows you to search for millions of items in the IU Library's collection, including books, periodicals, video recordings, sound recordings, U.S. government documents, and other physical materials. IUCAT is not useful for searching individual articles published in journals or other periodicals. You'll want to use an online journal database to search for those. You can access IUCAT from your library's homepage or by visiting iucat.iu.edu. Let's try searching for resources on the topic of architecture. This search returned more than 56,000 results. You probably don't have time to look through each of these items, so it's important to know how to refine your search. This way, you'll have fewer items to browse, and they'll all look more like your ideal item. You can refine your results by using the limiter options on the left sidebar. You can limit your results by format, publication year, author, and language. You can also limit your results by the physical location of the item. IUCAT includes items from all IU campuses, so it can be useful to limit your search to a specific campus, library, or collection. Once you've applied your limiters and found an interesting result, click on the title to view more details. At the bottom of this record, under Holdings, you'll see the information necessary to find this item on the shelf. Holdings information points to the location of the item by campus, library, collection, and call number. Holdings information will also indicate if the item is currently checked out. Looking back at your search results, you'll notice that some of your results will have a book icon, which means that this item is a physical print book. Other records will have an e-book icon. This indicates that the item is an electronic book. You can access the e-book by going to the detailed record and clicking on the URL that corresponds to your campus affiliation. If you run into problems or have been searching without luck for more than 10 minutes, contact a librarian by phone, email, text, or chat to ask for assistance. Good luck in your research!